My name is Paramjit Singh and I came from UK, and I found out this City Dental Hospital on my Facebook, and I tell you, I'm not disappointed. I'm very happy with it. The staff is like a family and they look after me very well. I had my upper teeth done in Delhi and they put the new studs and everything, and they asked me to come back after 6 months, which I did, and they didn't do the good job. All my stud they put in broke within 3 months, and I had a very bad experience in Delhi. Then I found out about this City Dental Hospital, and they done all the work within 10 days, and I'm very happy. They are very good. I recommend everybody to come here, and this is one of the best I have seen. I have looked at in London and Turkey and somewhere else, but this is the best one. Even from Delhi and Punjab, I could not find this kind of service and this kind of advice, and I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to the staff. They look after me very well, like a family. Thank you.